What is happening, folks? Welcome back. Behind me is my '05 BMW 325It. It's been a great car. I've had it for, I don't know, I think I got it in 2015 or 16. I've put 70,000 miles on it, and I think it's about time to start giving this car a little bit more attention. Really got into a groove where I was just driving the car, and I wouldn't say always abusing it or neglecting it. Just wasn't doing any extra. So today we're going to be starting the process of doing a little extra on this pretty rare, very cool, in my opinion, 325 Touring. Alright, oil filter housing. This is going to be my first time using this, so we'll see if this helps. I think this seal is just about had it, but I think some of it's definitely coming from the entire power steering system. Just E46 mini kit on this car. I do think it's time to do these arms, and obviously with the length of the arm, the tube is going to change. Oil leaks aside, ugh, this car actually runs pretty good. Still gets me 22 miles per gallon. We'll go ahead and crack this open. Comes with, obviously, a filter. It also comes with a new crush washer for your oil pan bolt and a new seal for your oil filter housing cap. Alright, so starting with the oil filter housing ring, you want to just grab yourself a pick of some sort. You can do this with anything. This might be a little old school, but I went and grabbed a dab of oil on my finger and run around the seal before I really put it on. Not to soak it, just to give it a light coat. Super easy to put these on, so yeah, that's all in place. This has been draining for a little while, so I'll go ahead and grab this oil filter. Same deal, just sort of place it down in there. It's fully seated. Alright, so I'm using Mobil 1. It's a 5-weight 20.
Extended performance, high mileage.
I don't know if any of it matters. I did read one time that Mobil 1 has a specific type of additive that is like BMW factory oil equivalent or something. I don't know. I think it's all bullshit. I don't know. Making a huge mess. We'll go down here and see that it is coming through. So obviously all I was trying to accomplish was just run a little bit of extra fluid and just flush out whatever will come out, you know. Drain plug bolt with the brand new crush washer. Alright, if you've made it this far, you haven't had any catastrophes, be careful sliding that in. Make sure that everything lines up, you're not crushing anything. Get the thread started, do it all by hand. Alright, car's got oil in it. Moving on to the next project. Alright, pretty much getting just set up for this wash. I went ahead and picked up a soft clay mitt and new pack of brushes for interior and exterior. Now for the clay mitt process. These are pretty good for a very quick decon on your car. You can do this during the wash process. Use the soapy water to act as a lubricant for your clay mitt. Real quick piece of advice: when they're brand new, start with the glass and then go do the rest of the paint. If not, you'll kind of mar up the paint with it quite a bit. So I didn't do any closeout yesterday, so there it is, initial cleanup complete. We've got a lot planned out for this car. A lot of it's going to be restorative, but some of it is going to be more performance minded. Yeah, you guys stick with us. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We will see you guys next time.